Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of a mini 3-button key. Here we go. This 3-button key is for the model year between 2013 to 2018. These are the tools needed to replace the battery. We need Phillips screwdriver, and then the battery CR2032, and then the key itself. Now we have everything, we can move on to replacing the batteries. Step 1 is to remove the emergency key. To remove the emergency key, press the silver button on the side of the key and simply pull the key out like that. I have 3 Phillips screwdrivers here. I would recommend to use the medium size screwdriver. The small one might crack the cover, and the big one is just too big, which is why I recommend the medium size one. Use the medium screwdriver to pop open the cover here. This cover here need to pop open. Be a little bit tight, so take your time, Need to remove this circular battery cover. You can see the CR2032 battery. This time we're going to use the small screwdriver to gently force the battery out like that. Here we go. This is CR2032 battery. Here's the new battery, okay? CR2032 battery. Okay, you just need to pop the battery in here like that, yeah? Okay. Nicely, okay. You put the circular cover back on, but make sure you put this part in first, this part, okay? In first like that, yeah? Go in like that, okay? And then, you know, just press it down. Here you go. Before you put this cover back on, you must make sure the key slot in nicely. Fit perfectly. Okay, remove the key and then put the cover on like that, yeah? Okay. There you go. Press it down and the key back on. It's all done. Thank you for watching. This video, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell and press the like button. Thank you very much.